So in this project, we are going to make a reaction game which is based on the paper, scissors, rock game. And here you can see on the screen is that to play the game, first you need to verify your identifications. Here we need you to use the RFID card or the smartphone to verify your identifications. And for example, we suppose that this RFID card is referred to Stephen. So when Stephen tap this card on the card reader, so on the screen you can see that there is welcome Stephen shown on the display. And also here this card is owned by, for example, by Mary. So here we tap the card on it so that it can verify welcome Mary. So the user needs to log into the game so that they can start the game. And also we provided an optional choice for the user to log in from another resources. And here you can see the screen that it would tell you to input your username, and here you can type in for example here if we input something information that is incorrect, for example then here you can see that it will show that your username is incorrect, and you can log in again by pressing the button. So here you can see that you can try to input your username again, and now we can try to enter a correct username and password. So after you input a correct username and password, then it will show that the login is successful, and you can see on the STM32 it will log into the main screen of the game. And in the main screen of the game, here you can use the touch screen to set the time limitation of the game. And by default, the game limitation would be 60 seconds as shown on the LED light here. And here you can set the time limitations. For example, if you want to play for 30 seconds, you can choose 30 seconds. And it will change to 30 seconds. And if you want to play longer, and you can change to 90 seconds. So here we can, if you want to start the game, here you can tap the play button, then the game is start. So here the user needs to, based on the instruction on the STM32 and the instruction by the robot hand here, so that they can make a choice for each of one of the game. For example, here the STM32 tells you to win the computer, and here it shows that actually the robot hand is in scissor. So you need to win the scissor, you need to have a rock. So here we supposed to use a remote control here to to assume that the R button is the choice of the rock and the G button is the choice of the paper and the B button is the choice of scissors. So here we need to choose the rock so that we can win the game, and so that we can choose here, and you can see that the screen will show the game you win this round of the game, and the LED light of green LED light is on. And here the robot hand is in paper, and so after the game is finished, the result is shown on the display, and here you can press the exit button to back to the main screen of the game. And if you want to play the game again, you can tap once more your RFID card to log in your account. That's all of our project. Thank you.